Hello everyone, my name is Kier INS Perez, and in this video, I'm gonna show you my hobbies. Let's go! First is volleyball. When I'm still in elementary, my dad taught me to play this sport, and as time went on, I found interest until I was inclined to play it. The main thing I love about volleyball is I got excited when I am representing our school, club, even our barangay, because it is a big opportunity to represent it or to represent something. Aside from that, I also love the memories me and my teammate make and also the friendship, because in the sports we learn teamwork and sportsmanship. Volleyball didn't just teach me some skills, but also it teaches me to love the game itself.